projected pilot, creator-producer Gene Roddenberry's vision of the future has grown into the phenomenon we know today.
You are about to go where you have never gone before. And Universal Studios and Paramount Pictures proudly present the Star Trek Adventure.
Ladies and gentlemen, footage just like they do it in the movies. When we're through filming, our amazing instant edit system will immediately put all of the shots that we have filmed together so that we can all watch the Star Trek Adventure. This is going to end up being a movie. Lean to the right, back to the left. Lean to the right, back to the left. I don't know, I think leaning together is going to make a little more sense here, guys. Just follow me, lean to the left, back to the right. Keep up the smiling, too. That's going to look great during the battle scene here. And it worked fast. All those wrongs, you get the whole look. Molly's depending on you guys. All right, you two, you can't take the pressure down here. Turn around and panic and allow your camera. Do it, panic. Turn around, you two. Yeah, that's panicking. Now you got it. That's it. 2, 1, Delta. Oh, yeah, right. You're disappointed. Landing party. Ready to beam down? Obviously graduated from a different academy over there. Yeah. Take your positions, please. Remember, it's important that everybody hold still during the transporter sequence. Stand by to beam down to predetermined coordinates and energize. You struggle in the middle. Now I want you to look back. The captain said, fix the ship. Look back and say, don't kill me. No, not in English, going. Clingonese. In Clingonese. Yes, that's much better. Got it. That's actually not a bad shot. He blew his head off. I'm kind of impressed. How about a round of applause for all of our Klingons? You guys did a good job. A boo, too, and a booze and me. Boo, get out of it.
Sir, no sign of life anywhere.
Good, give a round of applause. Good job. I said thank you comes in handy. Well, I don't know. Delaney's a little mistaken. The Klingons have also beamed down. Yeah, that's nice. You can give the rock back. Now, hey, just wail on him. Just let him have it. About the thing because it's so small, which is all right with us because we got something bigger. Say hello to Mama Calamari. Excuse me, guys, we're not rolling yet. Don't waste it. Yeah, move around though. You don't stand in the same spot. Move around a little bit, guys. You can spread out some. You have a whole set to work with. You move around. Okay, stay in the same spot. It looks better. It looks better. Save them. Now, escape. Everybody get off the set. Escape. Rescue the Klingons. Escape. Get away from the creature. Ben. Well, save yourself. He's obviously...
Alpha 7, an obscure planet on the border of the Klingon neutral zone. Starfleet Command has directed us to investigate strange signals which have been received from the planet. Although this is a dangerous mission, I am confident in the capabilities of my new crew, who are seasoned professionals, intent and serious about their mission. The best assembled crew in the entire Starfleet Command. I am proud to serve with. Mr. Spock has picked up an unusual energy force emanating from the planet.
A pattern I've never seen before.
All attempts to contact the planet have been unsuccessful.
Please acknowledge signal.
What do you make of this, Spock?
There are two possibilities. They're unable to respond. They're unwilling to respond.
I'm picking up a Klingon old vessel!
They knew exactly where to get us.
But we're a patch man.
I certainly.
Sam James T. Kirk, Federation Starship Enterprise. What does that mean for this attack?
Captain's log supplemental. In the midst of an attack by a Klingon vessel, a strange energy force has rendered both the Enterprise and the Klingon ship helpless. We have located the source of the energy field on the planet's surface, so I have dispatched a landing party to beam down to the planet and investigate.
It's quiet here, sir. No sign of life anywhere.
Spock, scan.
Sir, the Klingons are being attacked by a strange creature.
You've got to rescue them, even though they are Klingons.
Captain's log supplemental. After fending off an ambush, the Enterprise landing party was able to save the Klingons from being crushed by a mysterious tentacle being. It is becoming increasingly clear to me that some unseen life form is pitting the Klingons against us.
Put it on screen.
Phenomenons and Federation members, we are the preceptors, the teachers. All you have experienced here has been an illusion, a test to see if you are capable of peaceful coexistence. While your cultures are primitive, we believe there is great hope for you are not as different from each other as you may believe. Learn our lesson well, for if you fail to become allies, the other path will bring your ruin. Farewell.
Much to learn.
That much is certain. But Scott,
My son.
we'll be going to warp speed.
Captain, how'd they do?
Not a drama critic.
Ladies and gentlemen, we thank you for joining us here at Universal Studios today.
It's like that. Yeah, live long and prosper.
Live long and prosper.
Okay. Let's go to the Starbase and spend money.